Laura's worried about her foot, so she's not going to get in, but I'm covered in some kind of volcanic something or another.
Look at my foot and how swollen it is.
It's bad. But this is hot. Hot. Extremely hot.
It's temperature hot also.
Is it hotter the further you go that way?
Yes.
So it gets colder this way.
Well,
Jesus, that was hot.
Fucking shitty.
This is a madhouse. Jesus. One more step, sorry. Oh, it's extremely hot. There's a little bench right here. I'll sit on that.
Hey, come on, you guys. Sorry, I'm ready.
I know, right?
I want to cool off. Boy. Probably not seeing anything. Probably glossed over. Tired of waiting? Everybody's just standing there.
Yeah, there's a shower somewhere.
There's a madhouse, crazy, too many people here. Like, it's neat and all, but I don't know. Let's see. This idea of a shower. This is ridiculous.
Oh damn, I thought that was.
Okay, this one doesn't work.
No, that one sucked.
They all suck.
Oh man, mine was boring something.
This is horrible, folks. I'm sorry, but this ain't working too well.
I'm not curious, but
She told you that. You had a bad night. Alright, I'm done. I'm over it.
Alright, I'm switching. This was going better than that one was. Volcanic baths, I would not recommend this to anyone. It's a very long drive to get over here. And the shower barely works. So it was interesting to say we went and, well, I did. She did not. She decided that her foot wasn't healed up enough for her to get in, but it's cool to say we got in like a volcanic pool or whatever, but that was overcrowded, kind of a mess. The water to wash yourself off didn't really work. And it was a long bus to get over here. Hopefully, everything else has been pretty cool. The little rum, the cities, and hopefully the food's good. Hope for that.